Do you want to invest in stocks that have the potential to generate higher than average returns? If so, you must know that picking a winning stock can be challenging. And to gauge your chances of success, you need to take a close look at the stock's fundamentals. One crucial factor that you should pay attention to is the company's earnings per share growth. This growth rate is a reflection of how much profit a company is making per share of stock. Our research shows that stocks with higher EPS growth rates as compared with year ago levels indicate that a company has products or services in strong demand. If the EPS growth rate is accelerating in recent quarters and years, that's even better. In fact, strong earnings growth is essential to a stock's success and has the greatest impact on its future price performance. So, how can you quickly identify stocks with the strongest profit growth? This is where MarketSmith's proprietary EPS rating comes in. The EPS rating takes you into account the growth and stability of a company's earnings over the past 3 to 5 years, with extra weighting put on the most recent 2 quarters. The result is assigned a rating of 1 to 99, with 99 being the best. For example, an EPS rating of 99 means that a company's profit growth has exceeded 99% of all publicly traded companies in the MarketSmith database. Based on our empirical studies, stocks with an 80 or higher rating have the best chances of success. Keep in mind that a low EPS rating doesn't necessarily mean that a stock is doomed to fail. Some companies with low EPS ratings may have outstanding sales growth and high expectations for future profits. However, it's important to note that companies with higher EPS ratings generally have a better chance of success. To make an informed decision about a stock, you should also consider other factors such as company's master score, price strength, buyer demand, and group rank, etc. These ratings provide a well-rounded picture of a company's fundamentals, price performance, institutional investor demand, and industry group performance. Once you're on MarketSmith's evaluation page, you'll notice the EPS strength rating on top of a chart. The rating that we show here is a number rating. A rating of 90 means that the stock falls in top 10% of all the stocks in terms of earnings growth. As a growth investor, you would like to focus on stocks that are in top 10% or 20% of the stocks. Anything below that requires a careful study of the stock. If you come down to the summary section, you can see the EPS rating here as well. Now, is there an easy way to find out the stocks where there is an improvement in EPS rank recently? The answer is a big yes. You can visit the Idea List page and click on the list named New High with Best EPS Rank under MarketSmith Stock Screen section. This list features the stocks where the last weekly closing price is within 5% of their 2-year high price and has an EPS rating of at least 85. A special screen is used to eliminate most stocks that are extended in price. When you see a growth stock appear in this list, you should study the stock in greater detail and gather more information about its fundamental and technical performance. Another list you can visit is largest quarterly EPS percent changes. This list features companies reporting the greatest percentage change in quarterly earnings. Earnings percent change for the current quarter must be 25% or more, and prior quarter must have also increased. A special screen is used to eliminate most stocks that are extended in price.